Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ferrari California. First, ensure you are comfortable and have a clear view of your surroundings. Adjust your seat, steering wheel, and mirrors. Take a moment to locate the essential controls like the ignition, gear selector, and parking brake. Understanding these basics is crucial before you even think about starting the engine. This preparation ensures a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Once you're settled, insert the key and press the engine start button, usually located on the steering wheel. The Ferrari California has a dual-clutch transmission, offering both automatic and manual modes. For manual control, use the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. Pull the right paddle to upshift and the left to downshift. Begin with gentle acceleration, allowing the car to warm up and respond to your inputs. Driving a Ferrari California requires smooth and precise inputs. When cornering, look through the turn and apply gentle steering. The car's powerful brakes are designed for performance, so apply them progressively rather than slamming them. Familiarize yourself with the Manettino dial on the steering wheel, which allows you to select different driving modes, from comfort to sport, adjusting the car's dynamics to your preference. To truly master driving a Ferrari California, practice is key. Start in a controlled environment, like a large, empty parking lot, before venturing onto public roads. Always respect the car's power and adhere to all traffic regulations. Regular maintenance is also vital to keep your Ferrari performing at its best. For those looking to enhance their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other exclusive deals. Enjoy the thrill of driving this incredible machine responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.